Go, Lucy, go!
Oh, I guess you're doing this one. Wing! How was it?
Very cool.
Whoa. There's your mouth. Oh, watch out. Leave me. All right, finish up. You want to do something else? Yeah? All right. Let's take a walk.
Yeah, you want to see the creek?
Sure, you want to show me the creek? We're on a little bridge. There it goes. You want to take me down the back path?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. This one. Come here.
So there's a backpack. Right here, but what?
Porcupine. Cute area for littles. Yeah.
I don't.
Vulture. Buzzard.
Buzzard.
A fish with a coyote in it. My goodness.
That's a ginormous
Or a horse maybe? I don't know.
bird.
A raven.
Oh yeah.
Turtle. Oh, very cool.
It's paint themselves out.
The only thing that I want to go do is run down the sides of the stairs.
Oh, let's take a look in here.
And here's crystals.
Oh, Jackson loves crystals.
Yeah, I really want to.
No.
That's even stocking with before. That's the best thing ever. Ooh. Pretty. Can I show you something cool?
Sure.
You could see the creek.
You can, huh?
Then the water comes from here.
Yeah, it goes around.
And here's the little field.
Uh-huh.
There's a walk right wall slides and many more. There's this little bridge on top of the bridge.
Uh-huh.
And my favorite part here is the slides.
Yeah. These ones?
Yeah.
You got hoot and holler.
Bye-bye.
It's up there. All right, we're gonna figure out where he comes. Oh, up the stairs. Right up to me. There he is. Watch out. Oh, all right, let's keep walking this way.
At least I think there's a rock climbing wall here.
There is. We just have to go further down. It's down below. We can walk around.
There it is.
Yeah, the walk from Raw is down there, so we'll get down there.
We'll get down there.
Yeah, we're gonna go back around.
Yeah, here's the
Do you want to finish?
Creek.
Yeah, it's a weather station.
Coyote.
Uh-huh.
I like how it's not.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, a
Yellow bug.
marmot. King snake. Oh, I think you can go right here to the rock climbing wall.
Yep.
Maybe. One of the ways.
It's all the way around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the diner.
Cliffhanger.
There's a zip line.
Left side or right side? This side's the tougher side. Yep. You want to try it? Go ahead. Oh, right over
Oh, right here.
Start.
Right here. It says start. Got cold hands though.
Did you want to try the right side?
Yeah, I'll try it. My hands just hurt.
There you go.
Your hands hurt? Mine do. This is my first time ever doing that. I was like, they hurt. I was stuck for a while though, so.
I already did that one. I did it all. Go.
Oh, you're so close to the finish line, dude. Can you do it? Boom. That's awesome.
Should I try that one?
Sure. Go around. I'll wait here.
I couldn't do that way though.
The easier one. Whoa, getting too confident. Take your time. Where are you going?
There's not a lot of space there. Yep, stay there. Stay there. Put both hands there. Come on, you got this.
Jackson, give her space.
Put it.
There's only drawback when taking the briefing. It happens more often.
Boom.
Good job, Kevin. Thank you.
Nice. All right, these cute little rock slides.
Come on, come on. Get up, man.
It's funny because the reality is like
All right, babe.
Whoa, you're so fast.
Stuart's going 8.
Yeah. Excuse me. Whoa. That was cool, buddy. Very cool. Whoa. That's cool. Try this one. We'll wait in line.
I got a squirrel. There. A squirrel that turned into
Want to go up the rope course?
Yeah. I know. I know.
All right. There he goes.
Here's the first one.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I saw this.
You did?
Yeah, the crystals.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Let's go to the second floor. Which is the last one. Okay. Here's the third.
Next time you're wearing the GoPro.
Here's the
Jackson, wait your turn. Oh. Just goes back and forth. Cool. What are you doing? Let's see the lookout. Oh, look. See, like the deer and.
Yeah. I'm doing that.
Come on, Thomas.
Road bridge. What? You don't. Run full speed ahead.
Hold on. I want to look at these. Let's see if the binoculars even work. They do. Hard to see, but they work. What's over here? Look at the posters. See the posters, babe?
Here's the map.
On the map? Sierra National Forest and Yosemite National Park. Alright. You want to wait for them to go and then you can run?
Yeah. Do you want me to run full speed ahead or?
Sure, just be
walk?
careful. Be careful of the other kids. Here's the Grand Californian Hotel.
Very strong.
Ropes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at this.
Okay, alright. Let's not test it. Crazy. What's this one? Oh, it's cool. More posters and stuff. And then you found a radio? Very cool. Alright. We got the big tree over there. Alright, let's take a walk. Yeah, we're back to the beginning. Except we get to go next through the red tree. The big tree.
I'm your leader, okay? But there's something very peaceful. A waterfall.
Uh-huh.
This is the most part of the water.
Yep. You're right.
It just runs forever. You can flip coins. They're okay.
Sure.
And
Look
look
at the millennium tree. Ambassadors from another time. Whoa. 1880, 900, 1000, 1200. Wow, it just tells you how old it is. That's crazy. 1812, 1824, 1826, 1846, all the way to 1937. That's how old this tree is. That's crazy. All right, let's go walk through the big.
don't forget, we have to look for the.
Ooh, you found a wish. You want to throw it in?
Yeah. Should I throw it into the waterfall or the creek?
Your choice.
Waterfall.
Okay. Yay! Okay, let's go through the tree.
There's a big tree. Is it wood or rock?
And let me get a picture of you in the tree. Look at me. Here, come a little bit forward so I can see you. There you go. So cool. All right, let's take a walk. What does it look like in there, huh?